What's up, Evo World players? Rocket, today I've got something huge for you, brand new bonus codes and a chance to grab free gems, so stick around till the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to Game On with Zuyaha, your #1 stop for Evo World tips and tricks. Today I'm sharing the best legit ways to score free gems in EvoWorld.io. No scams, no shady downloads, just pure gameplay strategies. First up, daily login bonuses. Every 24 hours you log in, you can claim a small gem reward. Tip: set a phone reminder so you never miss a day. These bonuses stack up fast. SkyBS. EvoWorldio.fandom.com. Nortos. EvoWorldio.fandom.com. Plaxar1. EvoWorldio.fandom.com. JeromeASF. Next, complete quests and hidden achievements. Look for tasks like evolving a certain number of times or surviving for specific time limits. Each achievement can drop extra gems, and they add up way quicker than most players realize. Finally, keep an eye on special in-game events. Seasonal events or EvoWorld's official Discord often announce gem giveaways. I'll post updates in the comments if I see new ones, and that's it. 3 easy ways to collect gems without spending a penny. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Evo World tips, and comment, Gem Squad, if you're ready to level up.